How do I change the language on Hulu to Spanish?
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to change the language on Hulu to Spanish. Whether you're learning Spanish or simply prefer watching your favorite shows and movies in a different language, I'm here to guide you through the process. Let's get started.
Accessing the Hulu settings.
The first step is to access the settings on Hulu. To do this, follow these simple steps. 1. Open the Hulu app or visit the Hulu website on your device. 2. Log into your Hulu account using your credentials. 3. Once you're logged in, navigate to the profile selection screen if you have multiple profiles. Choose the profile for which you want to change the language.
Language settings.
Now that you're on the correct profile, let's proceed with changing the language settings. 1. On the Hulu home screen, locate and click on your profile icon. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen. 2. From the drop-down menu, select Account. This will take you to your account settings.
Account settings.
In the account settings, you'll find the option to change the language on Hulu. 1. Scroll down the account settings page until you find the Preferences section. 2. Within the Preferences section, look for the Language option. 3. Click on the Language option to open the language settings.
Changing the language.
You're almost there. Let's change the language to Spanish. 1. In the language settings, you'll see a list of available languages. Scroll through the list until you find Spanish or Español. 2. Click on Spanish or Español to select it as the default language for your Hulu profile. Congratulations! You've successfully changed the language on Hulu to Spanish. From now on, your shows and movies will be presented in Spanish, allowing you to immerse yourself in the language and enjoy a different viewing experience. If you ever want to switch back to English or change the language again, simply follow the same steps and make the desired adjustments. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Hasta luego!